morning friends. Today we are going to start a new topic on equation of line. Yesterday we have studied different forms of equation of line. This is the important part of equation of line in different forms. Equation of x-axis and equation of y-axis. Very important things. Equation of x-axis. If we consider any point P, xy on x-axis, then what is the equation of x-axis? Y equal to 0. Y must be equal to 0. Equation of x-axis, y equal to 0, and equation of y-axis. Similarly, if we consider a point P, xy, any point on a y-axis, equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. Now, if we consider x-axis, y-axis, any point P, xy, and here the equation of line we have to find if line having slope m, this is the line L having slope small m, passing through the point A x1 y1, passing through the point A x1 y1 is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. This is slope point form. What is slope point form? And if equation of line having slope m, but if line passing through the origin means what we get, that A should be 0 0. If this line passing through origin O 0 0, at the place of x1 y1 we should substitute 0 0. So y equal to m into x. This is the equation if line passing through the origin. Now again we recall equation of x-axis, x equal to 0, equation of y-axis, y equal to 0. This is slope point form, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1 means if any one point given on the line and slope also given, we should use slope point form, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Remaining part of form equation of line, different forms. This is the important forms. Equation of line parallel to coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means x-axis and y-axis. If we consider any line parallel to x-axis, here I have drawn a figure. If we consider any point 0, 3 on y-axis, so what is the equation of this line which is parallel to x-axis? Y equal to 0. In this way we have to remember y equal to k. What is the distance from that line from the origin? K. That should be the equation of line parallel to x-axis. Similarly, if a line equation of line parallel to y-axis, any line consider which is parallel to y-axis passing through point x comma 0 which is on x-axis, then what is the distance from origin to that point? H, obviously. So what is the equation of line which is parallel to y-axis? X equal to h. This is the general equation. Y equal to k means which is line parallel to x-axis, and x equal to h means line parallel to y-axis. This is the example for getting equation of line parallel to y-axis. This is y-axis, line parallel to y-axis, and point 4 comma 0 consider here. 4 is the x coordinate, so So what is the equation of this line? Y equal to 4. X equal to 4. Now we learn slope intercept form. Another important form, slope intercept form, is what? When slope, any slope of line given and any intercept given. Here, what is the point given? B, 0, C, which is y intercept, because of this point lies on y axis, and any point P on any point on the line given Pxy having slope m. This line makes y intercept C. Line L meets the y-axis at point 0, C. That's why we get here y-intercept. And any point Pxy be any point on the line other than B. Then slope of the line is y minus C divided by x minus 0. And what is the slope given? M. The slope of line is equal to m considered. So why we get what we get? Y minus C upon x equal to small m. If we solve this, we get y is equal to mx plus c. You should remember this formula for finding slope intercept form. If any slope and one intercept given. Next important part form is 2-point form. Means what? The equation of line passing through 2 points, ax1 y1 bx2 y2. So what is the formula? Y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1. Next, double intercept form. If we consider any point L, any line L having x intercept, y intercept, x intercept small a, y intercept small b. So what we get? Equation of line in double intercept form, x upon a plus y upon b equal to y. And now recall all the different forms, equation of line in different forms, and revise it well. In the next lecture, we'll solve example depend on it. Thank you.